Hi, and a huge welcome to our smart reseller community, and welcome to another That's a Smart Idea. The weekly 1 minute video, which, come on guys, it never lasts a minute. We've got so much to say here at Smart, where we here at Smart help you, our smart reseller community, sell more smart business products into your customers and add value to your smart business proposition. So today, this is another suggestion that's come from our resellers, where you're asking about use cases for how smart interactive displays can be used in various different businesses. And today I'm going to talk about something that's very close to my heart, which is manufacturing. So right now, out in the business world, manufacturing, there's about 4.2 million SMEs globally that are involved in manufacturing marketplace, and actually in the UK it's about 385,000. So it's a big market out there. And one of the things a lot of our resellers are saying, they're saying, we want to know how we're going to sell this into manufacturing. What are the benefits? So today, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should be selling smart interactive displays into the manufacturing market sector. Reason number 1, Smart Meeting Pro. Smart Meeting Pro is included with all of our Pro Series interactive displays. So if you invest in an MX Pro or a QX Pro, you actually get 11 Smart Meeting Pro licenses. You get 1 for the room and you get 10 for individual users. Now that scales up quite well. If you are a business where you bought 3 or 4 boards, you bought 3 boards, you're going to get 33 licenses. So that works really well. And Smart Meeting Pro is our whiteboarding application that allows us to come up to the board and start writing directly on the board. So it's great for those 5-minute briefs that they have in manufacturing, where they might want to discuss safety, quality, delivery, that type of thing, and they want to capture the ideas of the audience. But the other thing that we've included within Smart Meeting Pro is we've actually included a gallery, and the gallery has things that are specifically used in enterprise and especially manufacturing. And you'll see that what I've just pulled in from the gallery is a page template, which is called a fishbone diagram. This is used quite heavily in manufacturing. So if you go into a comms pod or an area where people are working, you'll actually see normally an Ishikawa, as they call them, on the wall, and people are going up to there, and they're actually writing the text on the board as they're brainstorming. And what they can do is even convert content to text and label up the boxes properly. We also have in here, we have things like lean management as well. So if they're doing 5 S's, shine, systemize, sustain, sort, straighten, these are all terms that are familiar in manufacturing. We've got those templates in there too. And finally, in Meeting Pro, you can actually create your own templates and actually add them directly into Meeting Pro as well through our added content. So you can see we've got added content up there that we can add in our own as well. So there are some of the reasons why you would use Meeting Pro in a manufacturing facility, and that's reason number 1. Reason number 2, Smart Ink. So I'm in a session. I'm working with my team in manufacturing, and this is quite a common reporting document that you might see in that setting concerning countermeasure. But the reason why we're using Smart Ink today is what I can do is I can pick up a pen, I can choose any of the colors that are in there. I can maybe talk about, why a particular issue is happening, what's going on with, we can shade in things. So we're actually training people on maybe how to complete a document. But we can also, as well, using our Smart Ink tools, we can actually focus people's attention on particular parts of the document. So you can see we can do that. So it's really good for meetings. We can do a capture and actually send that to our Smart Meeting Pro application or whiteboarding application. So we might want to work on it offline if we wanted to. So we can send it to Meeting Pro, and it's done that for us. But the real power in this is there's a thing within practicing lean in manufacturing called the power of the pen, and this really demonstrates it quite well. That if I wanted to fill in a concern, so if I say water in walkway, so I've written water in walkway, and it comes up water in walkway, press the tick, add that as my concern, and I could actually complete the document online or in the cloud as a Excel document if I wanted to as well. So Smart Ink is my reason number 2 why you might use a smartboard in manufacturing. So for reason number 3, I have actually been joined by Dave Powell from OpEx Digital, and reason number 3 is dashboards. So Dave, right now in manufacturing, dashboards a lot of them are paper and things like that, where people are using pen and paper. Why are digital dashboards important?
So basically, a traditional dashboard could take up 10 meters of wall space. Now, we can actually channel all that wall space into one digital screen. So it's a big saving on the shop floor.
Okay. So just walk me through how you might interact with a dashboard in a meeting.
So a lot of dashboards are a requirement for performance improvements.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we want to review performance improvement within our dashboards, first thing we want to see is, okay, at a glance, what is the issue, so we can react faster to abnormalities. So we've got a big observation here of current performance, and we focus a lot on safety, quality, cost, delivery, and people. So a lot of the requests we get are, okay, that's the high level understanding, what is the macro level? So we can access by digging down a level with our own graphs.
Yeah.
However, we do get a lot of requests from companies to embed some dashboards from other systems.
Yeah.
So we've built in an enabler within the system that allows us to embed basically dashboards from Power BI or whatever system they're using,
Yeah.
to allow us to have it in one hub and one display.
I suppose if I was in a briefing, you're interacting with the board, which is really good, but also the fact that we can actually just annotate directly over what we're talking about. So it becomes where people, that power of the pen, where you would be handing it off to an employee in the business.
Yeah, and clear, and the clear message finally for this is it's all about 3-minute management. You should be able to react faster to the abnormal to improve your business.
Brilliant. So thanks very much, Dave. That's my third reason why you should be looking at smart interactive displays in a business setting, in a manufacturing setting, is dashboards. So they're my 3 reasons why you should be looking at interactive displays in manufacturing. Worth mentioning a big thank you to Dave for letting us use your offices today, Dave. I know we've been over having a chat about other projects that we're working on right now.
You're always welcome, Colin.
Oh, thank you very much, Dave. And Dave, if any of our resellers out there want to engage with you, what's your website? What are your contact details?
Yeah, we can be contacted at www.opex-digital.com and just get it via the contact page.
Okay. I recommend you do that, guys. If you're working in manufacturing, that SQCDP feature that you saw come up, that's something that we see quite commonly in manufacturing comms rooms. So it's something you definitely want to engage with Dave, and Dave can work with you. You sell the smart, Dave sells the software, so it'd be great for you to hook up. So on behalf of everyone at Smart, I'd say a big thank you to our smart resellers. You're doing a fantastic job at the moment. We're seeing lots of interest in the Smart QX and the MX Pro at the moment, so keep engaging us about that. So until the next time, thank you, Dave. Thanks for allowing me to use your facilities. And that's been a smart idea. Thank you.